Yan Rabinaka. Welcome to the Ouch Palang show this morning. It is a while
Wonderful day. This morning, yo.
Yeah. Today, some of us we are feel sicky. Some of us feel okay.
Yeah.
Some of us have a wonderful morning. Some of us have a deed of session of our life. Yeah, and you want to be part of this morning. It's a weather.
Yeah.
It's a windy. It's a sunny. It's a cooler. Eh? How's you?
Very, very good.
Why?
This morning is very, very different.
Who's?
Because last night when you sleep, you can feel the breeze.
Kontualain.
Yeah.
The breeze.
Ah.
The breeze is good. Not
Right.
like the cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
The cold when it's come down, it can touch your body.
Yeah.
Eh?
Which one is cool?
But the breezy,
Ah.
it's like, you breathe in on it.
Which one is good, the breeze or the cold?
Breezy cold.
Which one is good to you?
Both. Serum tuin rambut tumbul
The breeze is what different about the breeze. It's come out from the skin.
Yeah.
Your skin color will be changed. Will be like a ikves. Kenapa kamu naik ikves?
Hey! Ik wes.
Yeah.
Oh, you very clever, boy.
Iya, hololo lagi. Yeah. And good morning to everyone joining this morning. It's coming.
Palangi. Na Ouch Palangi Show and a VTFM. Ebito konikina. Opunje celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM ekamida gaikachi.
We say Rabinaka to William Timor and Russia Ratu Tau. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We say Mbulbinaka as well.
Eyo.
To all the friends of VTFM.
Okay.
Wherever you're tuning from.
Eyo. Right.
From around the country and to all the overseas based
Eyo.
who are watching the live show this morning.
Atau
What?
bilang Timoru.
Yeah.
That's our brother.
Oh.
O kwento ugad na stall ni na hibiscus.
Okay.
Okay.
Iyo.
Yan Rabinaka Bill, binabalik besar Vito Kadi, yan Rabinaka Ismaili, Merwale si Lenny Kali, yan Rabinaka to you and to all the minivan drivers.
Okay.
Yeah.
On their way to the cities in Ananda Panua, na City Limungo Suba,
Gori.
Suba Sori Corridor,
Iyo.
Vikim ni ngole Suba Ginesa Subara, Vikim doon na squad may namba Lautokamba.
Iyo.
And Vito Kadi mataglikua, do yanra, do Matabinaka.
LM305 ay tamayo linggo na turang ni Sabu Bungalay and also good morning to the family Jonathan Ikoro, to Tulia Sasiki Bekau, and also to birthday girl.
Iyo.
To Napay
Yeah.
from Nakorobo Namalata Tailebu.
Ano na kayang Mary?
Good morning to you and also to Wakarukusere family,
Yeah.
Buna Odo, and everybody. Not forgetting Asinada Banga, Alitianguli Rabu, Aquila Tambolo, Kodi Tuainet, Dombula Binaka this morning.
Emily Sanders go, Dolbina from Bannerberg, my Queensland, Metisel Nromasei, and Robinaka and Abakam Sidu, Carabinaka Sam.
Ayan rin nakarto at kurmundo rin Dems. Good morning to Wenikit in Ibalu to Nambuna. Thank you very much for tuning in. Mela the level. Likewise to Mr. Beast.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, good morning to Mr. Beast and all the family tuning in this morning. Likewise to Saini Vola Navanua. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
NC Naituku, for the
Iyo.
Thiku.
Mr. Beast, that's Mr. Beast.
Or Mr. Beast.
From Ba, joining from Ba to the village of Wainaloka, they are joining from Ba. He is a family Tiu, or Evi Anare Umbia, or Chale Ronamanda, or Kali Watake Taliki Kai this morning.
And Robinaka all the way from Seattle in the US, Single Chikuni Monitingo, or Chasate Kirambi, and Robinaka, sir. Okay, okay. The difference between the breeze
Iyo.
and the wind.
My.
What is the difference about the wind and the breeze?
Yeah.
The cold and the breeze.
Yeah, the cold and the breeze.
The breeze, I think, is the wind.
And what is the wind?
My thought, Yes.
And what is the wind?
The wind is the breeze.
What are the difference between the air and the wind?
The air and the wind, the air is coming slowly,
Yeah.
Okay.
which you can breathe in.
Yeah.
Like when you inside here, there's no wind.
Okay.
You can breathe in the air.
Okay.
All right.
The wind, look outside.
Yeah.
Huh? You see something?
No, I didn't see the wind. I see the
You see the flowers, the grass is moving, shaking.
Okay.
Because of the wind.
So, what is the difference between a hurricane and a cyclone?
Yeah.
Hurricane
Yeah.
is very, very dangerous. Cyclone is very, very dangerous too.
No, I'm not asking
I'm
I'm not asking the similarities. I'm asking about the opposite.
Selkama squad, please help.
Right.
Queen Wati and Rabinaka ye 8 and Corny Buliman when they leave the primary school.
Okay.
And Matadiko. Hey, Babuji, John Kumar and Rabinaka from Barara Valley in Singapore. Okay.
Give it to him.
No, our story this morning is about Tutu.
Yeah, Tutu.
Yeah.
Tutu was in the village. Too much drinking grog.
Okay.
Yeah.
And, relax in the village. And the difference is when he start growing up, when he's 25 years
I
old.
want to marry one European.
When 25 years old,
Yeah.
the Mumbu asked him, Imosi,
Tulitonga Tomasi, my American Samoa. Talofa.
Imosi, when you'll get married,
Yeah.
Mosi said, don't worry. Everything is hidden now.
Oh.
Oi. Yeah. It will come. to
It
pass.
will come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it come,
It
it
come.
will brightness this village.
Right. Kenapa
Oi.
karena mata kena kawan ni Korongo?
It will brightness this village. Every solid will come, will be brightness.
How old is
Will
Papa?
change.
How old?
Papa sabi alim siya urkotolu.
No, that time is 25 years old.
Oh,
Yeah.
so.
25 years old. What he's saying. And after that,
Yeah.
when he jump up to 30 years old,
Still.
still no. You
Yeah.
ask him, why? When will you be married?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Myself are already paid too.
Oh.
Yeah.
The time will come.
Nambutu yalla libon mo.
The time will come, they'll see.
Yeah.
And after that, when he reaches 45 years old,
All right.
no more teeth.
Oh, yes.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Kan
So-
katita pa eh.
All the Darbo and all the boys in the village, they used to, when he walk like this,
Sado bi will take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
when they do powdering,
Yeah.
when the girl's there,
He's there.
Bausi.
he's there, but all of them, they turn away from him.
Yeah.
Oi.
But they didn't know the true of him.
Keep the change.
Oi.
They didn't know.
He's got money.
He's got money. His Angona farming is
Up and down.
up
Up and down. Up and
hill
down.
and hill, hill and hill.
Dambe
Yeah.
zero.
Yeah,
Dambe zero.
Dambe zero.
Ah.
And Randalo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And every time, but
Really?
they didn't know, but he didn't want to show it.
Okay.
Jatos. Saweni Andra.
He knows, if he show it, you know.
Na apa na sa anda munda mutungan ni mira tungan na basing nan dulu.
That's right, Tapuleng. That's right. So one time,
Auckland and New Zealand.
when he reached 50 years old,
Ah.
he know he's gassy.
Yeah.
He's gassy.
Yeah.
So he came to Lambasa and he saw one beautiful lady
Oh.
Yeah.
selling in the market.
Right.
Oh, yang bagi lima setengah bulu pati kay Rosa bulu.
So
Boy.
he want to make him to connect with the lady.
Hindi na
Yeah.
nimba si maawa music show
Yeah.
ina.
And he don't want to tell him straight. He
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah.
Because he knows how
The
look.
age difference is there.
His look is very different.
Yeah.
His look is not good.
Ah.
Yeah.
So what he does every Saturday when he come to town,
Yeah.
he come and buy all
Na mundi.
the wundi, the new, the
The ba-
cassava.
Kokoto mo kami
No, no,
basa
no,
ta
no.
welo.
Yo.
Uy.
If 2 sec of the wundi,
Yeah.
he'll buy it all.
Oh.
Uy.
Tutu men.
So the girl think, or maybe he bring money from somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He
The mga
didn't know,
lupa na chumay tayo.
Yo, he didn't know the truth. He
Yeah.
didn't know the truth.
Yeah.
So after sometimes, he thought, okay, maybe this Saturday,
Yeah.
if I go in to propose her,
Ah.
he will say yes.
Yeah.
She will say yes.
Right, binabalo
This is
tutu.
the right time.
Yeah.
Tutu ndolo mata na
But I
bausi.
don't have to go alone.
Yeah.
I have to go with my
My fiancé.
grandson. Fiancé, meron din muriba tamay.
Right.
Grandson.
Yeah.
So they went. They harvest the grog, they went. When they go and scale weight the grog,
Yeah.
ooh, good money.
Eda tali na
Pasta thousand.
Yeah, baka do.
Eda tali na sa na yun nakanakan bimbi. Na bimbi ko tutuyan.
Ah. Nearly $5,000 in their pocket at the time.
Oh.
Wait, tutu.
With Tutu.
Tutu.
Right.
Tutu.
After they weigh the grog, after they take the money,
Yeah.
he told the grandson,
Yeah.
Waku,
Yeah.
Waku.
Iko bingun da liu.
Yo, you can what you want to drink? What you want to drink? And you know the time when people in the village, and the children in the village, when they reach Lambasa town,
Yeah.
they used to say,
Yeah.
kill him.
Kill him,
Yeah.
kill him.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Ngo na biya bisa ngo ko binakata na fudge.
Fudge, man. Ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream. when the time is like he's stacking the ice cream,
Yeah.
ice cream,
Yeah.
and he's after ice
Kuni
cream.
bacu ko rembuk begini guna skip lako turtal lo noel.
Oh, ni watu maya baka tang the ice cream, tang the ice cream, tang the ice cream.
When he tang the ice cream. And after that, when he finished, the grandfather said, Waku,
Yeah.
I can't go there.
Why?
Look at that beautiful lady there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oi.
Look at that beautiful lady.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm looking.
Baka usoro ya, baka urera usoro, I'm feel so serious.
Okay, Waku. Okay, Waku.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't.
Yeah.
I can't go there and tell her
Yeah.
that I love her.
Yeah.
But please, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you go and tell her
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
your grandfather is really love her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oi.
Okay.
And this grandfather and this Pumosi,
Yeah.
Pumosi, whenever he smile,
Yeah.
he smile because no teeth
Isa.
and the face.
Yeah.
Everybody laugh.
Tutu mo ba
It's like a
maugad.
joke.
Yeah.
Ba maugad.
It's like a joke when they saw him laughing.
Yeah.
So same time the grandson went. The grandson went and the okoma kami pananda kuiko ya.
Yeah.
Pananda kutiku mo yung marama.
Oily.
Yeah.
So the grandson said,
Yeah.
I went tap the.
So grandfather point his backside towards the.
Baka may banjin din
No,
Yeah.
marama turn his backside
Okay.
to the grandfather.
Okay.
So the grandfather same time the hand in the chest
Yeah.
Oi.
and looking
Yeah.
and full smile.
Right
Vama
now.
tabina kai.
Oh,
Tabina
baka
ka
may
full
banjin
smile.
Dora
din
Jesse
natu.
tam bina tu
Iyo.
kakek baba.
Vama
Jeans kede.
Jeans kede.
Iyo.
Vama tabina.
Yeah.
And same time the grandson went tap the shoulders for the marama.
Yeah.
He said, now,
Yeah. Yeah.
my grandfather wants you.
Ui.
My grandfather, he really loves you.
O makumuna wa be ang bakiro sa ka ba?
Yeah. My
Ooh.
grandfather really loves you. Huh? You really?
You true.
Where's your grandfather?
Where's your grandfather?
Yeah.
There. Look at the back.
Yeah.
So he turned his head.
Yeah.
Then her head.
Indo to do ta ba ni Chad din mother man.
When she looks back,
Yeah.
she saw the grandfather.
Yeah.
Ah!
Ui.
Go and tell your grandfather
Yeah.
Yeah.
he looks like a monkey.
Ui.
And sometimes the grandson is very, very out in laughing, eh?
Yeah.
Laugh. So when the grandfather looking and he saw the grandson laughing,
Yeah.
he said, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rawa.
Na bale mo tutu hope.
So he was running.
Dola mo mata
He
ng
was
bausi.
running. The grandson running.
Right.
Yeah.
And before he reached the grandfather,
Ha.
the grandfather shouting,
Yeah.
what happened?
Yes.
What's the story?
Yeah.
What's the story, Waku?
Ah.
Makubuku. Waku.
Hug
What's
me.
the story?
Yeah,
What's
the
the story?
Yeah.
Sadapa.
Yeah.
And he's kept laughing.
Do tala no din do tala binabale mo na talay.
Yeah.
$100.
Yeah. $100, $200. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. What happened?
Yeah.
What's the story?
What's the mana koronga?
Yo.
Yeah.
Waku.
Mm.
Saganebe Waku.
Yeah.
Saganebe.
Yeah.
Sauli taba.
O sorry.
Kuku. Pupu.
Yeah.
Umosi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tungagamos.
Yeah.
Tama.
Etaba.
Yeah.
Apa kaipe?
Yeah.
Ito mo niya utina?
Iyo.
Ito mo niya ulabur ako nga?
Iya mako iko nga ungi kaya. Dola ba lima tanan ng bausi me baka iyo.
Waku.
Yeah.
Same time want to take the pocket.
Yeah.
Take the money. Waku. Utina.
Wa olo.
Ase dimbera mo kumbuna mo pupu mosi. Ay leka ito ka mosi.
Eta ba?
A opologe.
Yeah.
Ay ko bayar dira di maki. Ase dimbera pupu mosi. Waku.
Yeah.
He's angry.
Yeah.
Because he's laughing. Why is laughing when you say that?
Yeah.
Wa ko rambutan idak.
Waku.
Yeah.
Katiga na mo ni kaya.
Yeah.
Binabale.
Lei.
No vale, at least two try.
Hey, to try.
Yeah.
Iya me alang kala be tutu.
Yeah.
Ni biya be talay tali.
Yeah.
Me tunga ako sa kanibon doon.
Yeah.
Baka ni bono tumuno ng bausi. Everyone punches and winner Patel.
But the lady should have said, yes, I love your
Waku.
tutu. Yeah.
Katiga na.
Yeah.
Tiba marama na.
Yeah.
Marama ka na.
Yeah.
Ha, pupu, haomu.
Yeah.
Ha, haoku.
Yeah.
Katiga na opolingi ya. Opumo si tomo ni kaya.
Yeah.
Me saba ngayo tutu yo sada lo pupu kondo boleh tagi kondo basa tunggo.
Yeah.
Ako le tukuna be cheka.
If we break up, then you know that it's your loss.
nika kunin tau rerer tu nangga sini bonoliu min.
Singai
Na turang ni bonoliu.
Ya ne babuli weekend kita sarna biokani. Sona
Okay, there's a lesson there.
Iya.
We would like to share this morning. Okay, what's the...
Sona ngonele wan tu radira tu dorbo. Dombe dira tu.
Iyo.
Sini kilati una kandi ne tigo bira.
Kali nada pamatay man kami
See,
daw ko yan.
If the lady said yes,
Iyo.
she wouldn't have been to the Mbasa again
Mbasa,
the next
no.
week.
Because
What's
of
the
fam.
kana mo tunga na fam?
Because it's a fama.
Why ni nona vale tunga na wikaw?
Vila.
Yeah. Garong ko tunga tangin mo mano.
Ah.
Non ring tontu.
Inada niyan laliro ko talaga
Keba me bayi o buri marama.
Ah.
Yada,
Kakek dan biu matana.
Kakek rin matana ni ambag nimbule di sa dala tamay nangauna ni nandun ni bakawa.
Iya.
Sa nambera-bera ko sa nangauna dala.
Iya.
Kinambale-bale nangauna sa nakambak-kambak.
Da uan dun gumomo da tukunoko ya.
Iya.
Aku mo sa bawati.
Ah.
Sa kau minangonele sama itu na kor. Ala saram sa nawati musin beroko. Nay mango. Tukuno. Nay mango. Bod maua.
Bod mau ang
Bod
bukara.
maua. Mereka was sarangan sa katibi ko tala kalon sa bakul sa lukabi na. Siya kan sa bawati maua.
Dingin-dingin pa binaka eh.
Iya, we kibre na orang cumai so na tapalenda. Cukur mana kor sa reda mo cukan rakin bulaya. Ngor sa rala suali cunga, me ko ninto me lebi bukit cuko.
Iya.
Pita lagi tu kuno kasa bot mo tuwa siya dava.
Iya.
Kesa kan ni ro me rolin tona vale.
Gori.
Ron tu bal tu mentanga.
May bale me kambas na lang.
Medara mo sa
Isa bala besar na matabi na ni kuha like hata kaseta ka don talay na matakan dinday.
Iya.
Bito ko ni Binod Patel pati kay Punjes. Iyo, seta ka bali buwe.
Dono.
Na ito kani.
Kurmundo ko.